Xccarbon, founded in Dongguan since 2012. We are a prototyping company and rapid manufacturer specializing in rapid prototyping and low-volume manufacturing of carbon fiber products, providing a one-stop shop from prototype to production. Products include carbon fiber sheets, carbon fiber tubes, and various carbon fiber parts. Our business model is based upon providing a cost-effective solution that benefits customers at all stages of their product development. Our greatest asset is our customer base, which has grown rapidly through customers' word of mouth around the world. Amongst them, it covers from independent inventors or designers to large-scale industrial, RC, drone, automotive, and even aerospace companies. We currently have 7 manufacturing centers for carbon fiber sheets, carbon fiber tubes, carbon fiber CNC machining, carbon fiber finishing, carbon fiber molding, carbon fiber drones, and carbon fiber sporting goods. We are also your best manufacturing partner. We offer a range of solutions to help you scale from effective prototypes to production parts. Our rich manufacturing experience and ability to integrate resources enable us to handle any project's needs and ensure your parts always meet the highest quality standards. For quality management, we are very strict with ourselves and comply with ISO 9001 certification. We have built a laboratory that meets the standards. We are looking forward to service all over the world clients. Welcome to contact us for the most suitable carbon fiber product solution anytime.